Hello, this is a quick look at one of the tablet or phone mounts that Horizon Rider has been developing along with Andy on the bike. So Andy on the bike has been 3D printing these mounts. So this one in particular is for a certain phone, which I'll show you soon. But basically the idea is it mounts to the nav bar on your bike and is a solid sturdy mount with an ever so slightly spring-loaded tab there to keep the phone from wiggling around, and then it has this locking mechanism. So this mounts on the bike as a normal mount would on the nav bar there, and then you can fit your phone in there and use whatever navigation app you need to be able to go on your travels. So this particular mount here is specifically for this phone. Now this is the Ulefone Armor X16. We picked this Android phone specifically for our mapping needs because of its ruggedness, its large battery life and its bright screen. But if you need a tablet holder or phone holder for a different phone, Andy would be able to make you one if you send him the dimensions or send him the phone and he can map it exactly. So to fit the phone on the bike, you just slot it in the bottom there, push it in on that tab at the top to keep it in place, and then close the top tab, and then you have a key which you just lock that in place. So it's a bit of added security. So you could leave the bike outside a coffee shop or something like that with no risk of someone just being able to swipe the phone or tablet from the mount. And that adds a little bit of pressure as well, a spring-loaded mount on there just whilst you lock it in. And once that's secured like that, your phone isn't going anywhere. This is the same mount for the same phone, but this time in black. And it doesn't have the Horizon Rider logo on this one. So if you were to speak to Andy, you could get your own logo put on there if you wish, or just leave it plain like this one is. As you can see on the holder, there is different mounting sizes and different mounting options. They then mount to the back plate there and then onto the nav bar mount. Now this is a set diameter, so you just need to specify what diameter you need and if you need any spacers to bring it closer or further away from the nav bar. And in the bag there of fixings, you'll see different screws, nuts and washers to mount it all together. And this is a larger 8-inch tablet version with a little sun visor, and this is for the Aoocci RT3 Plus, the 8-inch tablet, and that is fitted and mounted in the same way as the smaller phone version. And if you've seen our previous video, you'll see how this is a much neater solution. And just like the phone, it pops in there and secured by this little tab. And then the locking mechanism goes down to secure it in place. We're out here in Cyprus at the moment, and we're using the DMD2 mapping app. And we have the route there that we've been doing yesterday and we'll be continuing doing today. So if you want to see some more of that, then check out our other videos. Thank you very much for watching this, and I'll catch you later. Cheers. Bye bye.